All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you the basics of the pen tool. It's right here. So you see when you click on it, you got the pen tool. If you click and hold, you got add, delete, and just your anchor point tool. So I'll show you the basics of what we're looking at here. So the pen tool, I'm going to click once, and then I'm just dragging around, and it's following me. But if I hold Shift, you can see it goes in a straight line. If I don't, I can go any angle I want. For this scenario, I'm going to hold Shift. I'm just going to make a line over here. And then you can go up here and click off of it. So I have, this is an open-end path. Now, the other tool you're going to want to use, see you have these four here, but you don't really have a selection option. So if you hit the direct selection up here, I can now click the anchor point that I created with the pen tool. So this is just that one. See that? And I go over here and I can get just that one. Now, if we click on the pen tool and I go to add anchor point, I can now add a third one here. Now I can go back up here, get the direct selection tool, and I can move just that one. See, so it's really like basic geometry, to be honest with you. But that's the basics of that part of it. But now we're gonna click in here. We're gonna get this the anchor point tool itself, and watch this. You can click on this and you can start moving them around. Swirling, curving them actually, and you can stay. You can hold Shift and have it do it proportionally. And you can not and just have it do whatever you want. And let me grab the pen tool again. We're going to back over here. Now you can click on and off. If you hold Command, you can see it's basically giving me this direct selection tool. So it's the same thing as going up here and then clicking on that, then give me that anchor point. And then so you started, if you want to continue this path around, I'm just going to show you, I don't even know what I'm going to draw, but I'm just going to draw a random shape to show you how to close these. So you can hold Shift, like I said, or not, and I'm just going to go around here. And now if I hold Option, it gives me the tool again, the anchor point tool, because what you want to do, I want to turn this thing to go to the left. So when I hold Option down on this anchor point tool, I'm sorry, hold Option, it gives me the anchor point tool. You don't have to go up here and select it all the time. It makes it much faster. Now I'm going to draw a straight line over here. Oops, you got to click on the path first, on the anchor point, and then here, and then I'm holding Shift again. Now I'm going to do a little radius, right? Boom, and then go up here, and I'm going to do one more little radius. I don't know what this shape is, but you get my point. So now you've got that, and then you can still go in and you can add more anchor points. Boom, boom. If you need to adjust certain parts of this, then you can get your direct selection tool, select just one, and you can mess with this one. So this is basically, it's just all about the anchor points and then curving them. It's not really something that you're gonna just like. It's not painting or illustrating really. It's technical illustration. And let me show you just another example of something powerful. You don't really need to do this since we can make squares, but I'm going to go up here to 14 on my rulers. These are in inches. I'm going to go to 15. You hold Shift, you can click right onto the inch itself. I'm just going to make a 1-inch square here, and I'm just going to grab this. And I got the pen tool. Now watch this. They'll snap to guides too. So I'm not even holding Shift or anything. I'm just going like this. And I'm going to draw a perfect square. Boom, look at that. So that's a perfect square. You can see over here 1 inch by 1 inch on my properties. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff you can do with that. If you wanted a 1-inch corner radius, one more example here, you can go like this. You can click here, and I can hold Shift and bring that down. And when that thing is, when the anchor point touches, look at that. I've got a perfect, a 1-inch corner radius. Boom, look at that, 1 inch to 1 inch. So, that's the basics of the pen tool. So hopefully that helped. I will do more advanced courses on this, but for now, that's it. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.